and let's protect it, do our best. Now I would like to call Zara Abid from Presentation Convert School, Murree, to express her topic, the tears of the earth.
In the heart of the city, the skies turn grey. The factories bell smoke, night and day. Rivers once clear, now murky and still, choking on waste against their will. The earth cries out, a plea for our care, to nurture its beauty, to be just and fair. Mr. President, with your permission, I would like to express myself on the topic, tears of the earth. I am sick, I am weak, I am dying. Yes, Mr. President, I am dying, I am dying. I am your Mother Earth. Today, I feel helpless. This is the most dreadful time of my life. Alas, my selfish children, the humans, whom I tended with utmost care. Some of them are sitting here, have turned into my destroyers, my murderers. Dear audience, I am your Mother Earth. I am your ailing Mother Earth. I still have a vivid memory of my glorious past before you humans came to live on me. I was happy. I was as pristine as paradise. My forests and oceans were teeming with life. I provided shelter to countless species. My air was pure, the skies clear, and the land fertile. I was healthy and strong. I was happy and green. Mr. President, I was happy when the man was simple. And then, Mr. President, you humans, the humans sitting in front of me, thought of the change in your lifestyle. They thought of the development, advancement, and so-called prosperity. You plan to become modern. I fail to understand. What's wrong with you humans? You always want change. You are a restless creature. You are never satisfied with what you have got. You cleared vast tracts of forests for agriculture and urbanization. You release pollutants into the air, land, and water. These changes in the name of your progress have caused a tremendous cost to my health. My air is poisonous and the water impure. I still remember the incident of Hiroshima, and I'm also facing the consequences today. Mr. President, look at me, how shabby I look, how weak I am dying. But who cares? Who cares for an old dying mother? You sitting here, look at me. You all are equally responsible of my present miserable condition. Mercy, mercy, have mercy on me. Have mercy on yourself, on your own children. Because if I die, you all will die. You are my children. I love you. I feed you. But you have proven ungrateful to me. It is wisely said that you can make a beautiful castle with emeralds and gemstones. Like that, you can say beautiful words, but it's hard to put them into practice. Mr. President, now allow me to speak as a human. Dear audience, let's make a pledge to restore the damage we have caused. We must rise together, hand in hand, to heal the wounds, to understand. For the future depends on what we choose, or to protect our earth, or to let it loose, or to protect our earth, or to let it loose. Thank you for listening patiently.